Let me see one example. You understand about variable declarations? From material, this is the definition of the variables in JavaScript, same like a C language, and the syntax how to write the JavaScript variables, and what is the format we have to declare. So as a variable name in JavaScript statements, so there is some rules is available, like rules of attributes in HTML, writing attributes instead of the HTML tags. There is some rules is available. What are the rules? Attribute name should maintain compulsory spaces between the tag name. Like, so variable declaration, there is some rules is for variable declaration, there is some rules is available. What is the rules? Variable names are user defined, not predefined. Variable names are user defined. User defined is nothing but, so while declaring variables, so you have to take our own name as a variable name. Suppose example, as a single character also we can take, or else the name or word also as a variable name we can take, or else we can take as a statement. So the statement is so employee name, so is a variable name also we can take. But like taking a long name as a variable name, so don't maintain any spaces between the variables. So that's why instead of so maintaining the spaces, so we have to follow some instructions. What is the instructions is nothing but there is some special symbols we can use. That symbol is called underscore symbol. That means, so if you want to start any special symbols along with your variable name in the beginning cases, we can start an underscore symbol. Except underscore symbol, there is no any other symbols it doesn't support. Suppose example, this is a valid variable declarations, or else without taking underscore also it is possible. That means every variable name beginning starts with a character, that means a letter or underscore. Character is nothing but you have to take it, you can declare a variable as a character or name, or that mean name is nothing but word, or else a name also. It should be contain some value. Should contain some value. This is everything is a valid format. And next, number 2, there is another rule. What is the rule? Is called as variable names are case sensitive. Case sensitive means according to programming languages, if you take example C and C++ or Java, .NET, if you writing any statements inside of the from that programming languages, every statement is compulsory, so we should declare a case sensitive format. That means if you declare a variable where x is equal to some which contains some value, that value is called 10. This is called as a variable declaration we can call. That means we define a variable with a value, but that value I want to print as an output result. But how to call that from? So there is a statement we can write, so that is called variable name instead of the document write statement. Here variable name is called as x. This is called as a read value from variable. How to read the value from variable? Using variable name with the help of input statements, so we can read the value from variable. See the result? Here we can see some result that is called as 10. This is one small example. So how to read? So variables, and after that if we declare a variable declarations. But according to the main importance of the using variables topic is, there is a lot of data is available. The data we have to assign as a value to your variable. That variable name is called message. that variable name we can declare with input statements to read the value from the variable and see the result. But the same information if you want to print multiple times, so in JavaScript the same variable, so no need to declare multiple times, just to declare a variable only once, the same value we can so read multiple times just to separate with the comma. That's it. Same like a CSS multiple selector topic. In CSS there is a multiple selectors, declare all the selectors separate with the comma. The same thing in variables topic also there is one advantage. If you assign any information to variable, means values to variable, that values we can access for multiple times. We can access multiple times from the same variable without declaring the same statement multiple times. So what is the advantages about this variables topic? Suppose the first example is called as compare with the previous example. So no need to write the same statements multiple times. That means code size is very reduced. And next number 2, code size reduce and your file size also is very small. Previous example, the file size is 3 KB, but right now just is 1 KB only. And another advantage is, suppose if you don't need to follow the same information, if you want to do some result information, immediately if you change, if you change only single time, so the single result which is affected for all the remaining statements also. This is the main advantage and advantages about the topic is also JavaScript variables topic. But how to declare the JavaScript variables topic is, so we have to understand there is a predefined keyword which is start with the keyword name is var before the variable name. Here var is we can call as a data type of the variable, and the message, here message is called as a variable name of the JavaScript which contains some value, so by using a separator, so with assignment operator. And all the variables we can call by separate with a comma, so from the input functions. And we will discuss about another rule. So what is that another rule is, variables should compulsory starts with a letter or a word or else underscore. The second one is variable names are case sensitive. That means, hi, this is JavaScript, so which is assigned to variable is called message. But here message is a variable name. That message variable I am writing not in lowercase, but I am writing instead of the uppercase. A variable declaration, at the time I declare only lowercase variable name, but so read the value from variable, so the variable name I am writing so uppercase. So that means this is case different format. This is lowercase and uppercase. If you write opposite, but there is no any result information, that means we are not reading any value from variable. That means according to JavaScript pointer, there is we can follow one strict rule. What is the rule is nothing but every JavaScript statement is compulsory we can follow case sensitive format. That means even if you declare variable or else JavaScript predefined statements, everything so we should compulsory write a case sensitive format. Next there is another information. It cannot be used keywords, that is called reserved words. Reserved words is nothing but, in JavaScript there is a predefined objects, predefined functions, predefined keywords is available. That predefined keywords don't use as a variable name. See some small example. Document is a JavaScript object. That document object I am using as a variable name. See this information. Here we are not getting any result statement. There is unknown information is coming, so this is called as a garbage result we can call as. Browser can generating automatically. Here object is so JavaScript so predefined document is a JavaScript predefined object, so that predefined words or reserved words don't use as a variable name. What about the next point? It cannot have any blank spaces within a block. It must be unique within a block. That means writing the keyword, Suppose example is employee name. Here employee name is Amazon. I'm taking the name is Amazon as employee name. Printing the statement is so read the value from the variable. So using variable name is called emp name. But between the emp name, suppose unfortunately you are maintaining any spaces. Don't use the type of blank spaces between the variable name while taking a long name as a variables. And another more information, declare multiple variables at a time with a separate comma. Suppose you have one requirement, so prepare about the employee details. So what are the employee details is, you can follow this one. I want to prepare the employee details. That name is employee ID. IDs is nothing but numeric number. Employee name. That means so Amazon. Employee city. So that name is World Wide Web. These are three different variables. I want to read those three different variables information. Then what I can do, all the variables we can call emp ID separate with the comma, emp name separate with the comma, and emp city. Okay, whatever the result we are expecting, so the result there is a result, so the result is generating in our body section. But instead of declaring multiple variables for every time, which is preceded by var keyword, there is one shortcut we can follow. So what is the shortcut is, declare multiple variables at a time with a separate comma instead of writing as a var keyword. That means just all the variables, so we should declare in single direction, just to separate with the comma. That's it. This is also possible. That's fine. Based on by following this example, so many number of variables we can declare in the next coming sessions. So example point of view. So first you have to understand how to declare multiple variables at a time by separate with the comma in JavaScript.